Hey guys, this is my 2018 YouTube fireworks stash video for the 4th of July. Right here, some tubes I got by Shogun. I got 10 tubes. I have a total of 54 shells. I just separated them because there's this one sorted and then I took all the other boxes and threw them away. Over here I got a Mythical 200 gram cake by Firehawk. It's pretty nice. Actually, it's really nice. I got a Funky Monkey cake, 200 gram. So this little box right here, I got some Boom Snaps, you know what I'm saying? Some crackling balls. These right here is little fountains, but I'm gonna stick these into the ground and I'm gonna shoot some bottle rockets down, you know what I'm saying? And then I got some 100 strips, firecrackers. Yep, them will go right there. And then I got these flashlights, Shogun firecrackers. I'm blowing them off in the daytime, but I'm gonna save a couple of packs for the night and see what they do. And I have these right here, exploding mosquitoes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are real loud right here. You don't want these to go off right in your ear, so make sure you light these and back off real fine, okay? Be up to date. Right here is some Shimmer and Shine 10 shots. I got 2 of them. 350 gram cakes. Then I have 2 of the Boat 10 shots. Also 350 gram cakes. And then you got your knockoff brands, whatever you want to call that. But they're all by 8 of them. And then I got your halfback, 500 gram, 16 shots. And then I got your 500 gram Eureka, 16 shots. And Dynamo, 16 shots. It's their 100th anniversary edition, I believe. It's a 500 gram also. And I got these 500 grams, which is Critical Gravity, 25 shots there. There's a big one right there, ladies and gentlemen, you know what I'm saying? And I got this Ozone Blast. It's 23 shots. That's 500 gram right there for you too. And then in this box right here, this is our we got a 40-inch Dave Mammoth parachute. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when you light this off, make sure there is nothing around you, because this will cover your house. No, I'm just playing. It's only 40-inch big. And then we got a little 25 shot Sarah Missile Battery, 100 shot Missile Battery, and we got some things down there with some reports and stars. In this box right here, we have a 4th of July fountain, and then we have the Cloud Dragon fountain, and then we have some little flash and paint fountains, some bee rockets. I have made this homemade 300 shot missile battery. And then we got these Roman candles here, it's a assorted pack. Some more fountains, golden flower fountain, there's 2 of them. If you ever seen these, it's Flying Diamonds. These are really nice. And then you got a Happy 36 shot cake down there. You got a 48 shot Pearl, Thunder shot, Autism 19 shot, Kaleidoscope, and I think that's it. And then I got this big ass 16,000 bro firecracker by Mighty Max. It's the largest one they make. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go all the way down the street. And then I got these Mars rockets, which are 27 inches, which are pretty good. And then I have these No Mercy 500 gram cakes, which are really big. And yep, that's my 4th of July. Thank you very much.